Hello traders, this is TAFXs. Welcome to TAFX family, and I believe that guys, you are all doing great. All right, in this video, we are going to learn on how to re-enter the video and the combination of minute 3 and the Renko system. This is the strategy that I'm trying to take you through, guys, so that you can understand how it works. And if you are using even SMC, it's better also to follow this video closely because it's gonna help you a lot on when it comes to minute 3. Minute 3, it is the one that we are guiding on. We are training people on how to scalp, gold using minute 3. So without wasting any time, guys, let's get after it and let's do this. Let me remove this comment. This is Renko signal generating EA. Now, I just want you to pay attention now on how this minute 3 helps you. For instance, this is the low and this is the high of a minute 3. And we know after the breakout at this point, we can enter the market, though it is determined with the candle that will break this area. And we say the candle must be a momentum candle like this one. Let me try to zoom. Maybe you can see it correctly. All right, so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. You can see the candles must be a momentum candle that breaks the resistance or the support, highs or lows. But now, let me show you how this works perfectly so that you can master this. And if you master this, you'll be becoming a very, very profitable trader. Let's go to our Renko chart. All right. What do you see on this chart according to our Renko chart? On our Renko chart, you can see we are approaching this moving average. All right. So there is a strategy that you can sell through the bricks respecting our moving average. This is our 3-in-1 moving average, all right? But at this time, as we are checking here on minute 15, all right, where now our Renko file is, we can tell that we are coming from this support. There is a high possibility for going to this resistance, but we are not sure because this is a market, right? And anything can happen in the market, right? Let me bring my pen. So there is a two possibility in this market. This market, it can decide to go up or it can decide to go down. But I want you to pay attention on what to check on Renko, and this is for people who are using a Renko signal generating EA, because it will help you a lot to re-enter the market. All right. So now let's go back. Since now let's assume these markets will go up. All right. So now let's go back here to see what we are expecting here. So if we are going to buy this market, or if this market is going to give us a good buy, we expecting the breakout of a very good breakout candle or a strength candle breaking our high, then that tells us we can go up. And remember, we said we can do hit and run also using our Renko here. And this is what you can see. Already we have our trend line. Then we can set our TP there. And in case of anything, the market breaks also our trend line, then we can proceed to add more position looking for this high. But now let's say market breaks, it will break this resistance. What will happen here in our Renko chart? The market also will break, or the bricks here will break this our moving average and form a brick above it, and it will close above that. So for us to be sure that now the bricks has closed above our moving average, now we can buy this market. That one is what now makes us trust what will happen on minute 3, because in minute 3, there will be a breakout, all right? There will be a breakout here, a candle with a very good bullish momentum candle that gives us a surety that now this market can go up. So those are the two confirmations that are three confirmations that are very, very important for you to spot. Number one, we are spotting what is happening in minute 15. We are coming from the support trying to go to this area, but we want to scalp or to re-enter more position in this market. That is confirmation number one. Where are we coming from? Are we coming from support, or the support was taken out? Now we are coming from the resistance that was once a support, now going down? Or are we now anticipating that we are going to retest this resistance? So that's what we are checking on minute 15. And in minute one, we are now, not minute one, on our Renko chart, we're expecting something like this. All right, check here. The market came down here or down here, all right, and move up and form this golden brick, the same thing we are seeing at this point. So you can see, how will you identify or know that this brick close above our moving average? We can rely on now, we can take a buy signal because the brick has closed above this moving average. At this point here, we can see the bricks also closed below our moving average, and maybe someone will think now it is time to sell. The same thing happened at this point. All right, so this is why you cannot just use these bricks blindly. Someone would have said, oh, I'm coming from the resistance, and the brick has closed the below the moving average. Now we can sell. All right, it does not work like that. That's why we have to do some confirmation before the entering in the market, because now that's where now minute 3 comes in order to help us now understand if we are going to do that. I just hope that this market can do that so that we can buy immediately here, because here it is in a live account, and you can see we have already banked one signal at 177. That is the work of doing hit and run using the system. And that signal was taken at this point after this breakout. That's where we took this signal, and automatically it was closed. And then again, the market reversed. So what are we expecting here? Now, if this market breaks this here with a good bullish momentum candle, then trust me, we are ready to buy that market. Now, the other thing now, it has happened here automatically. After several hours or 1 to 2 hours, you can see now our highs already has changed. From this point now, all right, this is now our low, and this is now our high. It is the same thing we are talking about, if guys, you can remember now, about my strategy on minute 3. We can see now here the candle has closed this point here with this wick. This is a rejection. So the current candle here, if now it can turn back and close with a body here, with here down a wick, we are going to buy this market automatically, even without thinking now what is happening. Why? Because that one will be guaranteed that now we are coming to this area or we are coming to this point. It is simple as that when it comes to this strategy. So, and again, let me show you something that is very, very interesting. Here it is where we are going, all right? That is where now we are going, and we expect that market will break this moving average and go up. So it is very, very now clear to me, all right? And this is what I want everyone to master, that if this minute 3 closes with a good bullish momentum here, we are looking for this resistance here to be taken out. Remember, there was a resistance there, and this resistance meaning there was several retests at this point, which now has already created the what we call inducement, not inducement, liquidity, sorry. And now, since the market has created all this liquidity, if the market now can break this liquidity with a good bullish momentum candle, then we can buy because already the liquidity is already taken out. This is what I've been trying to tell you guys, that if you're not careful in the market, you will become a liquidity. So you have to learn about this strategy because it is very simple. Learn about our Renko strategy and also our SMC strategy when trading manually, even if the system generates the signal, it is good to check for this confirmation in order to re-enter the market. And this is why also you should remember that it is not that hard. It's very easy. And this is why we are offering a copier, a free copier from everyone who purchases our signal generating EAs. In order to make money, we trade on your behalf. All right. And in order for you to make money as you learn, you don't have to waste any time. You connect your account with our account through Copier, then you'll be making money as you learn this simple strategy that I'm trying to guide you. So I'll be repeating videos after videos for you to understand this strategy until it gets into your mind. The best thing is you don't have to waste time every time learning. We have Copier for free for all traders with a signal generating EA. Then you'll be making money as you learn or as you master our system. Because this is why also I said, I don't expect 100 of videos every day. No, we are busy trading. We are busy making good money for people. All you need is to follow us on our Telegram to see a daily result, because it's where we share our daily result. For the video, it will be only for the classes, for learning purposes, so that you can understand and master our system. But we are very busy trading. All right. So don't, you have stayed along without releasing the system. No one, not system releasing the video, blah. No, you will be earning as you learn. So we help you make money through our copier as you learn this strategy. And this minute 3, it is the one that I'll be talking most, because it is one of the very important strategy, because it can work in with any time frame. Since now we are trading gold, before we bring in other currencies or indexes or metals or whatever, it is better to master this strategy first with gold, so that when we start trading other stuff, it will be very easier, because it's only the changing of the setups of the system, but the strategy will remain the same. So the only thing that will change, it is the setup of the system and time frames, or else everything will be same. So it is good to master this strategy. So I'm just keeping you busy because I'm expecting to see the candle to break this resistance, so that we can enter this market just in case. All right. So this is why I'm here, because we are very busy trading. very busy trading. This is why you see now the video, they are not that regular. They are not that many. We are just releasing them, but right, it's taking time. I think now it's dropping. I don't have to waste more time, but follow us on our Telegram. If everything lines here, we are going to take that trade. So guys, understand, continue mastering what we confirm in minute 3 before taking a trades, or to understand our system. So thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TAFX family. Thank you.